Right out of the box, WordPress supports two main types of content that you can publish: posts and pages. Now, if we look at the editing screen for a post and then the editing screen for a page, you'll see that they are nearly identical. So it makes sense that this confuses a lot of people as they're getting started. What is the difference between a post and a page? Well, we're going to settle this right now. So posts are listed either on your home page or your posts page, depending on how your site is set up, in reverse chronological order. In other words, the posts appear from newest to oldest. So whenever you add a new post, it's going to appear right at the top. Posts are also dated and organized with categories and tags, and they'll often have comments. Posts are what most people use to publish the central content of their sites, the content they're putting out on a regular basis. Blog posts, news articles, podcasts, these are all things you would publish as posts. Pages, on the other hand, are more static. They stay in one place, they don't show up on your homepage, they don't have categories or tags, and they generally don't have comments. A few examples of pages would be your About page. If you're running a business site, you may have a company history page or a staff page, and then you may have a contact page. All of these are kind of permanent things that aren't time sensitive and that you want to keep in the same place for a long time. So a page is the more appropriate option.